Hello everyone, this is an unboxing and installation of all Polyblank vertical foregrips. Each one will have a different design, but the installation is essentially completely the same for each. So when you receive it in the mail, it will be in a box exactly like this, and it'll have your shipping information on top and a paper and a receipt on the inside, and then your vertical foregrip is the only other thing. Each one comes with the proper amount of M-lok screws for your gun, which fits virtually any M-lok accepted rail systems. And the only thing you'll need is your firearm, obviously, and a 2.5 millimeter Allen key. Now, before we do anything, you're gonna want to make sure that your gun is clear, there's nothing in the chamber, and it is on safety, which it is. So now we're all set to go. Only thing you want to determine now is where on the gun you want it, how far up, because you can have it in any of these slots. Personally, I like mine in the second slot. So we're gonna go ahead and put it right there and push it either all the way forward or all the way back. Now, when you put it in the gun, these are gonna be vertical, but then when you tighten it, they will become parallel this way and lock it into place. And that's essentially how it's installed. So we have it fastened on the gun now. We're not tightening it. You don't want to do anything too crazy, just so that it's there firm enough and it won't slide anywhere, which it really won't. And that it's on there good and have a firm grip exactly where you want it. You don't want to strip anything, so not too tight, but just enough so it's snug is perfect. And this is what it looks like on the gun. Very comfortable. Usually I hold it like this, or you can hold the actual grip if you'd like. It's all personal preference.